So how can you turn a negative photo into a positive? On iPhone, let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, you can of course utilize the filters of the iPhone, which you can find in the settings, accessibility, and then part of the display and the text size. You can see color filters, and you can also tap on a classic invert, which will invert the photos temporarily or as long as you have this feature turned on. But if you actually want to save it, like turn the photo permanently into a positive photo, you need to open up the App Store and get an application for that, as you cannot do it through the built-in solution. And the one I would recommend you to get is the Simple Negative Image. That's how it's called, right? It's free to download. It only has like an ad before you can do this, so I guess you will have to wait through it. But then you can just import the videos from the gallery like that, and it will turn it. If you import the negative photo, it's going to turn it into a regular one, or the other way around, right? So it just works well and it gets the job done. So I would most definitely recommend you to get this type of application. It naturally doesn't have to be this exact one, which I just shown you, but yeah, it has to be an app because we cannot do it through the built-in solution. So let me know in the comments below if you actually managed to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.